Selling a home isn't just about putting a sign in the ground and waiting for offers. There's a lot of preparation you can put into it that ensures that you shrink your marketing time, get multiple offers right away, and reduce the amount of stress and hassle in the transaction. I've seen a lot of sellers lose thousands in a transaction because they didn't take the right approach, and that could be all avoided, and those mistakes could be skipped if you just learn what to do. So I'll tell you more about this. In this video, I'll break down all the costly mistakes and how to avoid them so that way you can sell for top dollar. Selling a home is one of people's biggest financial transactions, but they typically don't treat it that way. They don't take the steps to learn about what to do before you list that could make or break a sale at the end. Significantly overpricing your home, not making the right repairs, and hiring the wrong realtor are all very costly mistakes. And that's exactly why I spend a lot of time working with homeowners before they list to make sure that we get all the right things into place to make sure they can sell for top dollar. No guessing, no surprises, just a clear plan on how to sell for top dollar before you go on the market. One of the biggest mistakes that people have is overpricing their home. Many people think that they should start high to leave room for negotiations. The problem is an overpriced listing will not get as many showings as it possibly could. There will be buyers that don't even look at it because there's more options out there that are a better value. And those people go out and make good offers on those properties and skip yours. Eventually, you'll get a buyer that makes you an offer, but it's probably not going to be as good of an offer as if you were to price it correctly to begin with. We use real-time market data to be able to give you an educated price to strategically put your home at that'll ensure that you get top dollar for your home. Overpricing your home typically means that you'll eventually end up selling for less. Homes that are priced correctly typically sell at 100% of asking price, if not more. Homes that are overpriced usually sell at about 92% of asking price. So if you listen to the stats there, it's very easy to see that pricing your home correctly first is the very first step that you should get right. The next mistake is missing costly repairs and also missing things that'll make your home show the best. Buyers today expect move-in ready homes, especially small stuff that people overlook. Buyers are very discriminate and they'll turn down a property because of it. And not just that, but if they don't turn down your property, they're going to reflect a much lower offer price in lieu of the hassle that they're going to have to take on because of the repairs that you didn't want to make. Or even worse yet, very small thing that they might notice might translate into them thinking that you don't have pride of home ownership, and they're left to wonder what else could be wrong with them. And that's why we provide a pre-listing consultation that helps you focus on the right repairs. And sometimes we advise to not make any repairs at all because we analyze the cost of what those repairs will cost you and also evaluate how much more you'll get for your home if you make them. Sometimes it's not worth making all the repairs, but just some. So we'll give you all of that advice so that way you're not spending time and money on the wrong things. And then there's the marketing, or most likely for most agents, the lack thereof. Most agents use the age-old list it and forget about it approach. They put in the MLS, they put a sign in the ground, and then they just hope for the best. And that's not a marketing strategy, that's just wishful thinking. We take a very different approach with our enhanced marketing program. It gives you AI-driven marketing placement, omni-channel marketing placement, Zillow listing showcase, only available to the top few realtors in a market, and many other options, including retargeting, social media placement, email, direct mail, text message, you name it, we do it. And this ensures that you get maximum visibility and sell fast. And finally, one of the biggest mistakes that people have is they don't think too much about what they're going to do after they sell. I mean, they have an idea of it, but it's not a very well articulated plan. So it gets really stressful when there's not the right places put into it. And this is a great thing for anybody out there selling, which is our flexible moving program. That means you could sell your home and stay there up to a year rent-free so you can figure out what to do next. That gives you the option to sell and get all this equity, live somewhere rent-free, save some money, and then go find the ideal place without the pressure of rushing or having to move twice. It's all very costly to make that happen. This means no double moves, no temporary housing, no stress. Before you list, let's discuss all these common mistakes and put a plan together for you to make sure that you know how to avoid them. Go to soldwithdave.com. Again, that's soldwithdave.com. So that way you can see more and reach out to us and we can chat more about it. Thanks so much and have a great day.